You can easily apply a wide variety of effects to the text you write in Dijibiz. First, we add a new text from here. When the text is not selected, the text settings will not appear here. When you select the text, you can see the text settings options. From here, you can change the font of the text. From here, you can change the size of the text. From here, you can change the color of the text. From here, you can add a border to the text. You can zoom in by using the circular center part of the mouse. You can adjust the border thickness and line style from here. You can change the border color from the section over here. If you want, you can turn off the thickness again like this. From here, you can apply effects like bold, italic, or underline. From this section, you can adjust the text to be entirely uppercase, title case, first letter capitalized, or entirely lowercase. From here, you can adjust the text alignments. From here, or by double-clicking on the text, you can open the Style section and apply effects. For example, you can apply a shadow effect and adjust its settings this way. Later, if you wish, you can remove the effect. From the Styles menu, we can try other effects to give our text amazing effects. Let's write a new sentence and check the automatic translation feature. From here, we can automatically translate only the selected text into any desired language. From here, we can adjust the opacity of the text. From this section, we can adjust the text position on the page. For example, we can align it to the right, left, bottom, or top. From this section, we can mirror our text vertically or horizontally. From this section, we can rotate our text to the right or left. We can also perform the same operation from this section. From here, we can duplicate the text by copying it, and we can also delete it using the trash can icon. You can generally use these basic and effective text effects in this way.